Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Make sure Visual Studio and the proper SQL client package are installed. Once done, open your Windows Forms project and add a reference to System. Data, SQL Client or Microsoft. Data, SQL Client via NuGet because the provider supplies the connection and command classes. Next, create a secure connection string in app. Config or user secrets. Include server name, database, and authentication method, so your code can read it at runtime without hard-coding credentials. Now implement the connection and data access code. This is the detailed execution. You create a SQL connection inside a using block to guarantee disposal, then open it and prepare a SQL command. Use parameterized queries for safety, because parameters prevent SQL injection and make values explicit. For select use, SQL Data Reader for streaming or SQL Data Adapter to fill a data table for binding to data grid view. Once you bind data, make sure to close readers and let using blocks handle disposal so resources are freed promptly. Finish by integrating the UI and finalizing configuration, and then test thoroughly. Save your connection string in config or secrets and implement try-catch around database calls to catch SQL exception. Show a clear message to the user while logging technical details for developers. Once done, validate credentials and server accessibility. If a connection fails, check that SQL Server allows TCP/IP, that the firewall permits the port, and that the connection string server name matches the instance. One key tip: enable detailed error logging to pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.